Today in the car cover garage, we're going to do some long overdue maintenance on this 2010 Ford Flex. Now its trim pieces have been blasted by the sun for many years, so it's time to give this vehicle a little TLC. And what we're going to use is Solution Finish. It's a trim restoration product that is easy and simple to use. I'm going to show you step by step how to use it, how to get the best results, and you'll see in just a matter of minutes that you can have your trim looking new again. It's an amazing product for use on wiper cowls, rear bumper steps, side panels, anywhere you get that hard plastic trim that's been faded by the sun. If your formerly black trim pieces are looking gray, reach for Solution Finish. It's an easy to use trim restoration product. First, make sure the surfaces of your trim pieces are clean. Use rubbing alcohol to quickly clean and remove any residue or grime that might be on the plastic. Once that dries, you can start the Solution Finish application process. Shake the product well throughout the application process for the best results. Apply a small amount of Solution Finish to a microfiber applicator pad. Work a small amount of Solution Finish into a small section of trim at a time. You will see how well Solution Finish gradually restores your trim to a glossy finish. Once you have finished applying the product, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes so it can be absorbed into the trim. Next, you will wipe off any surface residue from your trim with a clean microfiber cloth. If you happen to get any Solution Finish on the glass or metal surfaces on your vehicle, you want to wipe that away with a clean microfiber cloth as well. Repeat the process on any other plastic trim pieces on your vehicle. The product makes faded trim look new again. The silicone-free formula is VOC compliant, non-greasy, and dries quickly. Repeat the process on any other plastic trim pieces on your vehicle. Retreated the wiper cowl and rear bumper pad on this Ford Flex. On the rear bumper, we applied Solution Finish and brought the plastic pieces back to life. The rear bumper's application took a little longer due to the ridges in it, but we are pretty happy with the results. The rear bumper pad now has a glossy but not wet look appearance. You can use Solution Finish on any of your vehicle's black exterior trim pieces to restore and protect them. It is excellent for use on side mirror covers, exterior door panels, and bumper trim. The trim pieces on this Ford Flex look good as new. We'll check back in a couple months to see just how well the Solution Finish product is holding up. In the meantime, you can check out our website or YouTube channel for all the latest car care videos courtesy of California Car Cover.